first grade friends, it's Mrs. Hannah. You knew I couldn't stay away too long. I'm here for your writing lesson today. So for our writing lesson, we're starting something new. We're going to be focusing on informational text descriptive essay. Whoa, big words. So what we're going to do is we're going to write descriptive words. And descriptive words just mean telling more. Hi, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Hannah. I knew I couldn't stay away from you too long. I'm here for our writing lesson today. We're starting something new in writing. We're going to be working on a descriptive essay. All that means is we're going to use our describing words to tell about a special place. So we're going to use words that we can use to describe to tell about a special place. So you might be wondering why in the world I have a globe in my hand. Are you wondering? Look at my big globe. It's huge, right? It spins around. Have you ever seen a globe or held a globe? I love globes. I think I get that from my dad. In his office, he has all kinds of globes. It's his favorite thing to collect. I think I got that from him. So today, I want you to know that our world is a special place. It's such a special place. This is our world. It is also known as Earth. And we live on Earth. It's so amazing. A globe shows all of the places that people in the world are. We can see our countries, we can see oceans. I like this globe. I wish that I could show this to you in person, because on this one you can feel the raised part, and those show the mountain ranges. So it even shows the mountains. Here's the oceans. This part right here, all these are land pieces. Okay, this is the land. We live, let me see if I can get it. We live in the United States, and we live in Tennessee. We live in Kingsport, Tennessee, right there. Since we're talking about the world being a special place, I want to show you some other pictures of special places. You might notice some of these. So instead of talking about the whole world, we're going to come down a little bit and talk about our community and how special our community is. You might notice some of these places around Kingsport. This is the school that I teach at. Some of you attend here, some of you do not, but this is Lincoln Elementary. There's a picture of downtown, some shops, some churches, a playground, and there's a carousel in there. Have you ever been there? There's Pals. There's another playground. You might have noticed some of these as you've driven around, or you might have even visited some of these places. Our community is a very special place. You might have had some experiences at some of these places in our community, or maybe in a different part of our community. So when I think about what makes the world a special place, I often think of being outside on an adventure with my family. My family and I love to go on adventures. We love to go hiking and find waterfalls. We love to go just explore. My kids will tell you that their favorite thing to do is go on an adventure, because everything that we do is an adventure. It could be going to a store. It's an adventure. We could be going out on a hike. It's an adventure. And I am thinking mostly of the time we just went on the Creeper Trail. It's in Abingdon, Virginia. And we went on the trail and we saw so many beautiful things. We saw some really cool rocks as we were walking along. We saw some really beautiful leaves on the trees, and we were excited to go back so that we can see how the leaves are going to be turning in the fall. When I think of special times and our special world, I think about nature and I think about my family. What are some words that you think about when I say our special world? Do you have any experiences that you have had to make your world special with your family? Maybe it's even the word adventure. I could add the word adventure to this as well. Well, we're going to be reading this book tomorrow, and it's called Nana in the City. This is the front cover of the book, Nana in the City. Can you guess what these two people are doing? Can you make a prediction? What are they doing on the front cover? Who are the people on the front cover? What do you notice about them? What are some clues that the book gives you right here on the front cover about what's going to happen in this story? I hope you're thinking about those things. When I look at this front cover, well, I know that the title says Nana in the City. I'm assuming that this person right here is Nana, and this is her little grandson. It looks like they're walking maybe in a park. I see a sidewalk right here with some beautiful fall trees. And in the background, can you see the city? The buildings of the city? That's like the cityscape right there. I'm thinking this little boy might be visiting his Nana in the city just by looking at the front cover and listening to the title. We're going to read this story tomorrow, and we're going to use this story in order to write a descriptive essay, which just means to write a story about a special place in the world. I can't wait to see your writing. All right, friends, I will talk to you all later. Bye.